Welcome to Thumbnail Video Reviews. He's had too much caffeine with a lack of sleep. With his ADHD, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome back to another Thumbnails Video Review, and yes, you are still seeing the same bubble wrap on the table because I have not gone anywhere because it's the same day. Rewind's still over there. Get out of the shot. We're going to look at DK29 upgrade kits. This is actually warranted to have the S. This is age for 16 plus. Yes. Plastic toys, robot action figures, collectibles, brand DNA, made in China. Yes. So it contains one part for Scorponok, which actually helps out with Optimus Primal situation. If you know, you know. Dinobot hands, 2 guns for Dinobot, a shotgun for Dinobot, 2 belt strips for Dinobot's ammunition, Dinobot's, oh, you can't even see where the gun was. The shotgun's up there. Then you got his Mohawk, not Mohawk. The hell's that thing called? It's a stone on a stick that's sharp. It's kind of like an axe, but it's, you know, thank you, Tomahawk. And then you got clips to hold on to the said weapons. You've got special ports for the guns itself for him to hold on to. And then you got Blackarachnia's little cybernetic connection thing that she sticks into the head of Tarantulas to set herself free from the psychic connection? Or was that the thing that caused her to have the psychic connection? It's been a while since I've seen that. Either way, that thing. Which looks really cool, and you also get a stand plus the golden disc, which I'm excited about. I made a golden disc, but it's a little too big and it kind of just looks gaudy. So it's nice to have one in my collection. And this is the one that's actually, the print on it is exactly like the one where it was on Voyager, I believe, that the original G1 Megatron imprinted his own information on that was flying through space that might reach Cybertron at some point. Well, without further ado, let's cut it open. Turn it over before I lose the parts. Oh, there's the front, which looks really kind of cool. Although Blackarachnia looks a little weird. This beautiful golden disc can take a look at it, which you have. Hey kids, do you know what this looks like right now? It's not just a disc, it looks like a record. The Sounds of Earth, which was recorded on an actual laser disc. That's actually nice, decent plastic. I'm not sure if that's the right side up or if that's the right side up. I'm assuming, from what I remember in the show, it might be like that. We'll take a look at one of the guns that look like, kind of like Rat Trap's gun, except much more hollowed out with waffling. Which again, can't get away from waffling on anything. Nice, you get 2 of these. Get a chest adapter, which we'll take a look at later. The thing that Blackarachnia held on to, and the headpiece for her, which is this thing and this thing. Which is nice. Nicely done. Very loose rubber wire. Take a look at the rifle for Dinobot, which looks really stupid good. Oh, I've wanted a set like this for a while. And get not 1, but 2 fully rubbered, look like Batman's belt, but these are the bullets for his said gun, which I don't know why they have bullets on Cybertron when they use laser pistols, but he's got a bullet belt. They went Western for a reason, I guess. 2 new articulated hands for Dinobot for Beast Mode, which I'll, like I said, show it off, but I'm not going to fully transform them to show it off. And the piece of resistance, everyone will be like, oh, the gun was the greatest thing, the golden disc was get empty tray. This single item, when Dinobot created this, he proto-humans picked this up at the very end of the show. Spoiler! Shit, 30 years old. Proto-humans. Get hold of this. One clobbers a snake with a massive anaconda with this thing. It's waffling on the other side. Kind of sad to see waffling on a stick. It said show this stuff off. Having it seated over her nose just right, over her eyes, and then clipping these two behind her head. So now I've got the whole unit that she used. I think it was when she went to connect into his transmetal 2 body. So you can take this piece, yeah, and we can store it by lifting up Scorponok's arms, reach for the skies, and open up his chest. But that's where it stores. Close up the chest, just like usual, fold that up, bring his arms down, boom, boom. It's stored in him. Take his cybernetic bee. You're going to plug the thing into here. Primal. That tab right there by my thumbnail. That slot in the center of Primal's chest. It's supposed to make him fear and be weak, and no one's going to want to fight him. Now Optimus Primal can go berserk or beam mode episode. So far they're invoking some really good episodes. We gather here, our fellow friends, to pull out his arm, unplug that, take this ball joint and tell it to go away. They appear to be exactly the same. Now Dinobot's got his fully articulated hand, or, well, not really fully articulated, but it's enough now so he can actually have some movement so he doesn't look so derpy. And you basically do the same thing, except you're folding it and you're putting it into... Instead of having that dedicated tab that's there in the middle of the hand, you got a dedicated slot. And that little piece of the slot, it's a little bit bigger right there. He's got his new sides. Take one of these, and we're going to wrap the whole back. Well, that wasn't easy. That's just one of them. So we're going to take the gun, one of these. We're going to take this at this angle, go onto this side, jam that in like, nope, I did it upside doodle, because clearly I can't follow instructions. Jam that in there, then plug that through one of those holes, plug these in the center of his hand like he can hold it very awkwardly like a dinosaur hand holding said gun thing, but he can hold it. There he is there. I got a spare piece. Dinobot's normal weapon can go back to his butt. In there. Then you two can go back. Perfect. Now he's got his weapons there. Now, before we go too far, stand up. You're a warrior. You're to fight your enemies with honor. Open his hand. Question everything. Dinobot with the shotgun. Dinobot with the actual tomahawk hammer thing. It might be a tomahawk. I don't think it's a tomahawk. I think it's more like a hammer. He's got his shotgun. He is ready for bear. For a set that actually looks this cool. I'm kind of smitten. The bug accessory adapter for Optimus Primal was well deserved because, again, Scorponok had no way to interact with Optimus with it. The cable head thing for Blackarachnia, great inclusion. but all of what's on Dinobot, from the hip guns that he carries, which are copies of Rat Trap's weapons, the big huge shotgun, the shells, and the new articulated hands, which in Dino mode whenever I put them in that, and the hammer rock thing, which is also pretty cool. Without a further ado, that's me babbling enough. Love y'all. Love your faces. Peace.